Just get on the plane to do another leg. This is our third leg. Yes, our third leg. Struggle. So this is our third leg, and we got one more leg to go after this one. And it's cold here. It's like 50 something degrees, and it's raining. Okay, guys, so I finally made it home. I'm so exhausted, man. It's now 4:30 p.m. and I'm so tired. I'm like having a migraine, and I'm gonna take me a nap. My family members are coming in town right now. They're in Fort Lauderdale, and they're having issues getting on the flight because the flight is full. So I'm trying to reroute them to different airports, different local areas, and so they can come here. They don't land until like after midnight. So after, I guess when I get up, I have to go to the airport again and pick them up in the morning, and then also fly out tomorrow afternoon again to do the same flight. But the struggle is real. Struggle is so real. So I'm gonna see if I can take a nap real quick. Okay, guys, so I need a vlog for this trip. So basically, this was a 2 day trip, but before the 2 day trip starts, my mom and my sister was coming into town, and they didn't make it on their flight, so they had to sleep at the airport. So my sister's on a buddy pass, and my mom is on my benefits, so they had to sleep at the airport. My mom came the next day in the morning, and my sister came at night, but in the night I wasn't there. Um, Good morning, guys. Oh, so this is the outfit for today, my jumpsuit. And it's cold outside. So if you guys want to purchase this item, it is on my website, full jumpsuit. And so my family members are in town, they're upstairs. I just went to bid for my schedule for next month. Hopefully I get a good line for next month. I think they want to go to IKEA to get a mattress because my mom want to buy a new mattress because the mattress that I have, I don't know what it's that, the mattress that I have on my bed, she said is not too hard enough. So she want to buy something that is harder or firmer, I should say. So I might do that, and then my sister might go shopping. So yesterday, my mom's birthday, and we had a reservation for her to go to the Paris hotel at the lounge area. So we got a reservation for the lounge, and my mom was so fun. She's like, "Oh my goodness, these bottles, I don't know if it's a champagne bottles or wine bottles." She's like, "They are so expensive." They had a $300 bottle, and someone purchased that for her. Um, so she didn't have to pay for anything. So I was like, look at you on your birthday. Somebody purchased you a $300 bottle, okay. But that was my the person I'm dating purchased a $300 bottle for her birthday. So that was good. I didn't end up going because I was so tired because I came from my trip that day, and it was just exhausting. I had like 6 legs yesterday, which I was supposed to lay over. After my 2 legs, I was supposed to lay over and then deadhead later that night, and I wouldn't reach here until like 11 p.m. So it's like, okay, I'd rather just do an alternate deadhead, but the alternate deadhead took me all over the place to get here by 11 a.m. So at least I'm here in the morning with them, spending some time with them. But the nightlife wasn't for me. I was just so jet lagged because I overdid the flights. She was just sad that I wasn't able to go out with her. They didn't come home until 5 o'clock this morning. And I was like, lucky thing I didn't go out with you guys because literally I would have crashed. I would have been wanted to go home from the hour. When we spent an hour or maybe 35 minutes, I would want to go home. But yeah, but she enjoyed her time, and it was cold outside. It was freezing. So I picked them up, and when I picked them up, they went to Jack in the Box. And they were hungry as heck. I don't know why, but they were hungry as heck. So we had some burger and then went straight to bed. They were knocked out. 11 this morning, they were still knocked out snoring. So it's now 1 p.m. So I'm pretty sure they're up now. I wanted to go out to have my coffee because somehow I'm just so tired. I need to get my vitamins in and my iron because I'm just extremely tired. That alternate deadhead that I did yesterday just messed up my system. I overdid the flights because technically we're not supposed to do a certain amount of flights a day, and for that one it was way too many flights that I did because I was working the day before from 4:30 p.m. and then I didn't reach my destination until 11 a.m. the next morning. So it was just way too many flights that I did on my body. My body was like, No, we gotta rest. So I'm gonna go upstairs and see what they're all about now, and see what they're doing with their life. Okay guys, so I thought my family members were ready to go out on the street. Those suckers ain't even ready yet. Like, I guess they're trying to do the nightlife in Vegas or something. Crazy. Like, they are so, like, they were supposed to be getting ready from 1 this afternoon. I don't know, they haven't even go to the bathroom to shower yet. So I just leave them and say, you know what, I'm gonna handle my business, because I ain't got time for y'all. I'm gonna handle my business. Then I'm gonna come home, take me a quick nap, because these people right here can party all night, and I don't got time for that. I'm an old lady. I need to be in my bed by 9 p.m. sharp. No, I'm playing, but yeah. So thank goodness I'm off for a good amount of time. I'm off for a good amount of time. So. 25. Yes. 25. Come birthday girls, we'll twerk. Twerky, 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 twerky. Twerky birthday girls. Sorry. Twerky, twerky. Ooh, good girl, yeah. What's that? Today's her B-Day. My mom is crazy. I Kingston she get it from. I don't Kingston she get it from. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Hello everyone, good morning. So we're gonna be heading to High Out this morning because somebody don't want to cook any breakfast. Somebody want to go out, so we're gonna go IOP, and pretty sure they're gonna go. Ooh, she got a wine glass, girl. Let me see the wine glass, girl. Let me see the. Wait, turn around. Turn around. You have to come with the wine glass, girl. You have to come with the wine glass. Look what she drinking this early in the morning. From 6 in the morning? She's just like her auntie. Auntie wake up and she poured alcohol in her coffee. Auntie go to bed, she drinking a bottle of alcohol before she go to bed, and she never get drunk. Sing to me this one. 4, 3, 2, 1, hey! Level up, level up, level up, level up. What am I doing? I have no clue. Just level up, Randy. Yes. Level up, 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 level up. Good idea, good idea. Get it. That is so funny. I cannot. Let's go. Walking to IHOP, singing pop, city do, singing do, do. Okay, guys, you can get this outfit on my website.
You're popping, girl. You're popping.
I'm popping. Hello. Recognize. They recognize. I'm just saying. When I get this breakfast in, burp, and be happy. We can't have the jacket, yeah? No? Because then I don't want you to have my jacket. So it's busy here at High Up. Busy. Gotta wait for the food. Cocoa. Which one you got? Minty hot chocolate. Oh, and you got coffee, and we got the regular hot cocoa. Cheers on the minty, boo. Cheers on the minty. Voila. Yummy.
Are we saying grace? Say your own grace, lady. Say your own grace. Talk about. Oh my goodness, there's just singer happy birthday. We didn't even catch it on camera at all. We missed it. I missed it that I was right here enjoying the moment, and I missed it. Not even on camera. It's just one of those things you just can't catch on camera. Like, it wasn't planned. They're just surprises. Well, they surprised her. How you feeling? How you feeling? Oh gosh, it's so shiny. So shiny.
What?
You missed it. No, I didn't even video it. It was so quick that I was like, in the moment. I was like in the moment, like clapping, like yay! And I was like, wait, I should video this. But look what you got. What the ice cream is? Ooh, ice cream. Ooh, yeah, baby.
Okay guys, so they all now in Burlington, and I'm in the car because know these people? they take forever in a store, okay? Like, I have to have my iPad with me. I got movies downloaded, everything, because they're gonna take forever, okay? Then when they go in the store, they see what's name brand, what's not name brand. They calculate the price between the US price and the Jamaican price. They calculate all that to see if it's worth it or not. By the time they do all that, it's like 4 hours in one store, and I don't got time for that. And I learned my lesson. When you bring them shopping, make sure you are prepared. Make sure your stomach is full. Make sure your phone is fully charged, your iPad is fully charged, and make sure you have some long movies that will keep you entertained in the car. And I say my butt in the car. Other than that, if I go inside with them, I'm gonna start having a headache and get irritated. So I have a problem driving them around. They do their thing, and I do my thing in the car. I'm pretty sure after Burlington, they're gonna go to another store. Let's see how long they're gonna take in this one store. We gonna see. Okay, guys, it's been 4 hours, and they went to Payless, Ross, and now they're in Walmart. I'm in the same area. I went to Walmart for 2 minutes, got 2 little things, and came out. I saw them, I was like, no, I'm going back in the car to watch a movie or something, or fall asleep, because no, not today. And they're supposed to get their eyebrows done, mine too, then go on the strip, walk around the strip, get some dinner, and I'm already exhausted.